I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm dedicating this video to my beautiful friend here on YouTube, BETSYANN. My beautiful friend recently gifted me some items, and I wanted to share them with you and show you how I style them. I hope you enjoy. My beautiful friend BETSYANN is the sweetest lady ever, guys. She is my little pen pal from across the world. I love her so much. We talk all the time, we send each other gifts, and it's not about materialistic things, guys, but it's about the fact that we care about each other and we've got things in our home that represent our friendship, and that's what makes me so happy. Now, she had put together in this beautiful box a number of items from all different seasons. I was in love with this cute bunny tails tea towel. Isn't it the most adorable thing? She also included this absolutely stunning glam snowflake Christmas cushion. I absolutely love this, guys. The detail in this is stunning. Also included this beautiful Christmas Baby It's Cold Outside throw. It is so soft, guys, and I cannot wait at Christmas time to style this in my home. And my heart skipped a beat, guys, when I opened up this beautiful bunny cushion. If you've been following me for a while now, you know we didn't get this here in Australia, and I had to DIY it. So to get the actual thing just made me so happy. And guys, I wish I had have filmed myself opening this box, because I cried like a baby when I spotted that she had gifted me some Rae Dunn items. Your girl Chelle has so much trouble finding anything Rae Dunn here in Australia. So when I opened up the box and seen she had gifted me a Rae Dunn birdhouse watering can and the honey bunny coffee mug, my heart was so happy. But the best part of all, guys, is every single time I look at these items, I think of the amazing friendship we share. Rather than put away the items for each season, I thought I'd show you how I would style them. Here is that gorgeous glam snowflake Christmas cushion, and I absolutely love how it goes with my existing decor.
be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, it should have been you. Another time, another
Guys,
place,
if you're not already following BETSYANN, please go do so. I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel as well as her Instagram down below. She loves to share shopping tours as well as home tours, and I absolutely love watching her hauls. She finds the most amazing items, guys, and I think that we have had a connection so many years ago because we have such similar styles. We get excited over the same sort of things, and I'm currently on the hunt at the moment. I'll be sending over some gifts to BETSYANN as well, and I'm trying to find her the pink 2-tier tray from TK Maxx, and when I do, I can't wait to send it to her along with other gifts because I know it will make her heart so happy. My sweet friend BETSYANN has a heart of gold. She goes above and beyond for so many people, guys, and I'm so blessed to have her in my life, even if it's from across the ocean. It is my dream in life, guys, that one day I will get to hug her tight. One day I want to stand in front of BETSYANN and say, I finally got to meet you, my friend. It would be a dream. When the world finally gets back to some sort of normal, guys, I would love to do a meet-up with you all. I'd love to do a meet-up with my Australian friends as well as my overseas friends. But until things settle back down, I hope that one day in life I get to meet you all.
Jesse was born on a winter's night in the middle of the storm. The road was blocked, so Jesse was born in this old house. Raised on love in those sunny years when there was magic in the world. Her laughter traveled well across those hardwood floors. God knows we didn't have much, but in a way, you know we had it all. She grew up fast, in a breath or two, she was on her way out the door.
Guys, I have been so blessed in making the most amazing friendships here on YouTube and on Instagram. Your love, kindness and support always touches my heart, and I'm truly blessed and appreciate your support so much.
God knows we didn't have much, but we gave all that we had to give. So just keep going, find your way in this world. If you need us, we'll be there. Keep on searching for your part.
Stay close to the people that feel like sunshine. Guys, this is one of my favourite quotes of all. I see all my subscribers from all around the world as my little rays of sunshine, and BETSYANN is definitely a little ray of sunshine who touches my heart.
Jesse came home on a Friday night in the middle of a game. He left her for the bottle once again. Don't cry.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you will go over and show my beautiful friend Betsy Ann some love.
So just keep going, find your way in this world.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home.
If you need us, we'll be there. Keep on going, find your way in this world. If you need us, we'll be there. Keep on searching for your pot of gold.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.